Hey, it's Craig here at Cables and Kits, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our new touchless infrared thermometer, the model AD801. We have these in stock here, and just wanted to show it to you a little bit. Obviously, it's touchless, and it works just like this. Little squeeze, get your temperature, pretty straightforward. It uses two AAA batteries, is how that works. And it also is pretty easy to set up. There's a couple of little menus you can use and convert from like Fahrenheit to Celsius, or turn the beep on and off, things like that. It's got 15 user settings if you want to record how temperature is changing over time, for probably more of a home use. In a commercial use, I know you're just point and shoot, ready to get it and go. Automatic shutdown, high temperature alarm. So if you want to set that, then you don't necessarily have to read every single temperature. You can just get your alarm. They're available for sale here at CablesAndKits.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, CablesAndKits.com. Thanks and have a great day.